Oh, what is that supposed to be?
The ultimate experiment. All my life I was trying to make the perfect person. But there is no such thing.
I know where you're going, but manipulating humans is dangerous and stupid.
The President's science advisors made it absolutely clear. No human subjects.
Hybrid profile name, Simiakeltamergus, Ryan Hardy. English translation, Dr. Reinhardt's APAC LET fusion. Codename Whalewolf 2.0 Akhlut X. Species genome components analysis, Northwestern wolf. Bonobo, South American bush dog, Czechoslovakian wolf dog, Portuguese water dog. North American river otter, Kodiak bear, northern short-tailed shrew, vampire bat, Atlantic wolffish. Extant northwestern wolf DNA. The genes of this massive gray wolf subspecies provide a broader, more powerful build than its Eurasian counterparts, with a thick muzzle, large, heavy teeth, webbed paws for paddling. The ability to hunt in family members. Highly potent, intimidating-looking eyes that somewhat hypnotic to any prey, large, pointy ears for hearing noises from a very far distance, the ability to communicate over long distances via howling when on land, and strong genetic diversity due to wide-ranging movement, allowing the hybrid to thrive in diverse environments. Extant bonobo DNA. The genes of this smaller but unique great ape provide the secondary base, which includes vast and flexible muscles with super dexterous manual digits for better manipulation. The ability to walk on its knuckles while crawling, the ability to climb onto very high objects with ease. Human-level memories, ideas, inventive skills, and intelligence. Extant South American bush dog DNA. Its genetic legacy offers remarkable subterranean adaptations. The genome contains reinforced cervical vertebrae genes, supporting 280% greater neck musculature relative to body mass, with powerful digging forelimbs exhibiting 15% greater humeral density than similar-sized canids. The integumentary system includes specialized sebaceous glands, producing a waterproofing lipid secretion that persists even during prolonged aquatic activity. Extant Czechoslovakian wolf dog DNA. This military-bred genome incorporates unique behavioral modifications, including enhanced oxytocin receptor density in the amygdala and prefrontal cortex. Neurological adaptations include improved working, memory retention, particularly for spatial navigation, and dopamine response genes that reinforce handler bonding during training exercises. The stress response system has been selectively modified to maintain cognitive function in high-intensity scenarios. Extant Portuguese water dog DNA. Its aquatic adaptations include specialized apocrine glands producing a hydrophobic lipid coating that maintains insulation even when saturated. The webbing genes express between all digits with interdigital membrane spans averaging 32% greater surface area than terrestrial breeds. Unique retinal adaptations include a nictitating membrane with polarized light filtering capabilities for spotting fish in turbid waters. Extant false killer whale DNA. The cetacean genetic contributions are particularly transformative. The genome contains modified hemoglobin proteins, allowing complete oxygen saturation at depths exceeding 300 meters. Buoyancy control genes enable rapid transitions between deep diving and spectacular breaching behaviors. Social cognition genes include advanced theory of mind modules that facilitate complex cooperative hunting strategies with human partners. Extant sperm whale DNA. The genes of this macro predator of a toothed whale provide the ability to power sleep vertically for 15 minutes. This deep-diving genetic package provides extraordinary pressure adaptations. The genome encodes for reinforced ribcage architecture capable of withstanding 200 atmospheres of pressure. Modified myoglobin proteins prevent nitrogen narcosis at depth. The integument includes a unique dermal lipid matrix that maintains flexibility in freezing temperatures while providing exceptional abrasion resistance. Extant North American river otter DNA. Its semi-aquatic genes offer masterful duality. Terrestrial locomotion genes express elongated metatarsals and a flexible vertebral column enabling cheetah-like spinal flexion during sprinting. Aquatic adaptations include specialized vibrissae with flow sensing capabilities and nasopharyngeal sphincters that seal automatically during submersion. Extant Kodiak bear DNA. The ursine genetic components deliver raw power. Claw keratin genes produce ultra-dense, curved weapons with microserrations along the ventral edge. Dermal genes create a remarkable rotational defense system where the hypodermis can freely rotate nearly 180, independent of underlying muscle tissue. Extant northern short-tailed shrew DNA. Its venom system genes encode complex polypeptides that induce violent acetylcholine storms in prey. Dental genes produce continuously growing incisors with magnetite-reinforced enamel showing Mohs scale hardness of 8.2. Augmenting the asset with high metabolism for its huge body structure would make it a faster learner and a quick pursuer. Extant vampire bat DNA. The hematophagus adaptations include specialized anticoagulant proteins, Draculin derivatives, and gastric adaptations for rapid iron metabolism. Thermoregulatory genes enable precise detection of subcutaneous blood vessels through 5 centimeters of fur or clothing, augmenting the shrew's iron enamel via blood ingestion by redirecting the excess magnetite into not only its teeth but also only the claws of the hybrid for a wearless arsenal for both defense and attack. Augmented limb muscles to help the hybrid catapult its way onto trees and leap onto prey. An augmented immunity to sickness and toxic chemicals, and the ability to take loving care of groups of their kind. Extant Atlantic wolfish DNA. The dental genes are particularly noteworthy. They produce continuously, replacing tooth rows with crushing molars that regenerate every 42 days. The pharyngeal jaws contain tungsten-incorporated dentin for extreme wear resistance. The shrew's iron enamel would biomineralize and sharpen every necessary genome's dentition, including serrating the wolfish's flat molars into serrated, cone-shaped molars for extra penetration.